Hi guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to be taking you on significant figure. Significant figure. Significant figures are the positioning of non-zero digits in a numeral. It is usually applicable to both decimals and whole numbers. The first significant figure in any numeral is thus the first non-zero digit when counted from the left hand side. For example, when you have 0.007368, the first significant figure in this number is 7. The second significant figure is 3. The third significant figure is 6. And the fourth significant figure is 8. Anytime a figure is taken to any number of significant figure, the convention is to round off digit 5 and above into whole and add to the next digit. Do not forget, you can check in all videos or other videos about rounding and approximation in this channel. Okay, now let's see what I mean by what I've just said. Now when you have 0.3254, we want to approximate this number into 3 significant figures. Do not forget that 3 is the first significant figure, 2 is the second significant figure, 5 is the third significant figure, and the 4 is the fourth significant figure. But here we want to put this number into 3 significant figures, and it becomes what? 0.325. It means we are fractioning the number. Now let's put the same number into 2 significant figures, then it becomes 0.33. Now what happened to why do we have 3 here? If you remember in approximation, the 5 is a round up number. We turn 0 and add 1 to the next number, and when you add 1 to 2, it becomes 3. Okay, that is self-explanatory. Now we want to turn the same number into 1 significant figure, and then we're going to have 0.3. It is very simple. Another important thing to note is the issue of zeros in between figures. Now in practice, zeros that are found in between non-zero significant figures are counted as being significant. Now let's explain this with this question. Now when you have 0.030068, in that number we want to approximate or correct this number into 4 significant figures. What are we going to have? We're going to have 7, 0.03007. Now why do I have 7? Why not 6? Why? Because if you look at the last number, this 8, the 8th number is a round up number. We turn 0 and add 1 to the next number, which is what? 7. Remember the question says we should correct this number into 4 significant figures, and here we have 4 significant figures. Now why do we have 5 digits 4 significant figures? Because the first 0 after the decimal point is insignificant, so that makes this 3 the first significant figure, and all of these 2 zeros are counted because there are zeros in between numbers. Okay, so you have the 3 as the first significant figure, the 2 zeros as the second and third significant figure, and then the 6, which is approximated into 7, as the fourth significant figure. Okay, now let's correct it into 3 significant figures, and then we're going to have 0.0301, because 7 is a round up number. We turn 0 into 1. Okay, now let's correct it into one significant figure, and then we're going to have 0.03. Remember, I told you that 3 is the first significant figure in this question. I hope you really understand what significant figure is. If you really understand what significant figure is, I want you to practice with these questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm very sure that you've learned something. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.